time to film a video. Bella? It's an LOL surprise opening. You see this? Oh! Oh my gosh! Well, I guess you don't want to open this LOL. Count of 3, you'll be on your bed. 3, 2, 1. Alright.
It's in my bed.
Let me sorry. I'm eating
My bed.
stuff. Okay, I don't know. Fortune cookie. Alright, here we go. Ready?
Messy.
Here it comes.
Off my bed. Off my bed. My bed. Get off my bed. You too.
What? What about this? Oh my, okay, buddy, okay. So this one is the under wraps doll. So this comes with a lot more. All right, settle down, settle down. Oh, she seems pretty frustrated.
Video.
No. Good things about being tall. Dun, 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 dun. Settle down or you don't get it. She. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so Bella, what happens every month? She gets a choice. Now open it up.
Well, that was easy. I just ripped the whole thing in half. It closed on me.
All right, let's get full view. What is this? She gets the magnifying glass, guys. All right. So we can use this for the lens to put it on, and you'll see what it is. Time already? Wait, do you guys notice anything? Oh my gosh, I want out. All right, thanks. Just tell her. Need some help? Nope, she got it.
I can already tell it's blue and gold yet.
Oh, you got a gold one and a blue one.
They're all gold.
You got a blue one. Let me help you out. She got it. It's a long process, guys. We'll get back to you when it's open. I ripped it up for her really easy. Oh, something right there. What is that?
Just take a message. We need that thing.
Nope. Let's show them. Let's put this in the light, guys. Oh, it's starting to come. There we go. What's the message? Party. I'm gonna turn on the flash really quick and see. We found out what it is. What's the clue?
At a garden party.
Garden party. Woo! So, next zipper. Oh, look, we gotta crack some codes. Need some help again? We'll see when it gets opened.
Got it. Yay. So.
Ooh, what does it look like? What's that? Oh, that's just the
At the back.
collection.
It's so weird at the back.
Yeah, it is. This is the little collection thing.
No, it's not.
Wait, what is it?
I got directions.
Like, we seriously don't need you. Alright, let's get back to the process. So, let's crack the code. Let's see.
Let's open this one first. So.
Alright, open it up.
We can't press this because it's not doing anything. So fire and snow. Nope. Crown and diamond. No. Cloudy and sunny. No. Peace and love. Oh, we opened it.
So, open it on up.
Let's see.
Ooh, nice. It's a pink and silver bottle.
Yeah, baby pink.
Cute, and look at the cute decorations. There's some lines on there. There's a silver cap. It looks like a little coffee cup almost. All right, keep guessing.
Okay, so this one. You have to go to the devil, which is right here. I got the first try.
Ooh, good job. Here we go.
Let's see what these are.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they're shoes.
Shoes?
They're so cute.
What kind?
They're like kind of like church shoes, but
Ooh, they look like Tinkerbells in a way because they have little like sparkles. Let's get like an up close on these. It won't focus. I'm sorry, guys. There we go. You can kind of see now. What's next?
Thing over there with the bottle.
Oh, the bottle. Oh, I'm holding it. There we go. Let's put those on over with the shoes. Next.
Outfit.
Outfit. All right. Are we going to just crack the same code?
Fire and ice. Nope. Crown and diamond. No. Cloudy and sunny. No. Peace and love. No. Lucky devil. No. Sweet and sour.
Woo,
Yeah.
Sweet and sour. All right, that's the code.
Let's see it. If I can even open it. Oh my god.
That's the cutest outfit. Look how cute that outfit is, guys.
Oh my gosh,
Can't go
guys.
wrong. Like, let's see. This video just won't focus today. Like, there we go. Has cute little designs, which will give you a little montage.
Guys, make sure you go check this out. Make sure you go
Buy one
buy
of these.
one of these.
They're so cute. Adorable, guys. Look at the back.
Comment down below if you want us to do an LOL vlog.
We can go and get some LOLs and open them up for you guys. So that's the cutest little outfit. Don't you agree, Bells?
Yeah.
Has a little bow.
I want that for myself.
Yes. Oh, there we go. Now it's starting to focus. So cute. Oh, and look at the cute little bow in the back. It's not really lined up, but it's so cute.
Okay,
And
let's
it's
move
fun.
on to the doll.
So, here we go. Doll time. Let's put those over with the rest of the
Actually,
outfit.
we should look at the checklist first.
Ooh, yes.
Okay.
Checklist.
So it's already on a code, sweet and sour. So we can't open it. Let's do fire and ice. No.
Ooh,
It's
look.
crown and diamond.
Look, we got the girl.
It's like so.
It's so weird. Silicone. All right, you should take off her glasses part. This part's satisfying, so enjoy. Take off the head.
Eyes.
Her eyes are blue. How pretty. Sorry
With
how like bad of quality
sparkles
this kind of is.
on it.
Ooh, look, she has cute little sparkles.
Okay, so let's look at the next one. This is, I think, her. Oh,
Look, some sunglasses popped out.
Aw, cute. Adorbs.
And look, they're pink and they have like this little diva effect on them. Almost as an eyelash look, sort of.
Yeah.
So it's so cute. Here's a little. Here they are. They're so cute. We should put the outfit together. Once we get the doll, let's put them all together. Oh, that's already diva-lish. 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 And look, with the shoes, it's so cute. All right, here's the checklist. Let's see. Just because of her shiny blue eyes, the sparkle outfit, I think we're going to find out who it is.
Yeah.
But we're not going to tell you guys. So here's the checklist. We know who it is. Can you guys find who it is? It's in the middle row. That's all we're going to tell you. Oh, what we've all been waiting for is the opening
Of the
of the doll. Here we go.
So let's take off. Well, it seems like she's not ready to come out yet.
True.
So
We should give her a little bit of time.
yeah. So since she's not coming out yet, we should let you guys
We're gonna...
5 seconds to like this video.
Okay, ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you smash that like button?
I bet you did.
Comment below.
And also, don't forget to subscribe. We'll give you another 3 seconds for that one. Can you guys do it?
3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Did you smash that subscribe button?
Now, I think they might be ready. Are they ready? Is she ready?
Let's see.
She's ready. Here we go. Whoa.
Oh my
Whoa!
She's so
pretty.
cute.
She's pretty.
And you can also let this just be a normal hairdo.
And look,
like a little
this is the silicone. It's nothing like the doll, like nothing, as you could see. They try to throw you off a bit. So this is a cute little silicone mold that you can keep. It's really cute.
So let's rip this outfit off her.
Yeah, here we go. Outfit time. Cute little boots. Let's get some of those. That's what they look like, guys. You guys, those are actually really cute. Like,
And
I
it's
want
like a
those. They're
dress
cute.
that's like
So.
a dress
That's
that's like pants.
yeah. It's like a skirt pant type of dress.
Yeah. Let's
So.
get the gloves off her.
Cute little gloves.
You guys have to like kind of rip.
It's pretty challenging sometimes. So
Yeah.
make sure to be careful with it. So here's the big machine as she gets those gloves off. This is really cool, guys. And trust me, cracking the code is so much fun. Like, see? It's closed. We're going to crack it. Diva, where are you? And I don't know. But here she goes. She got these gloves off. They're not really cute gloves, but that's just to cover up. So,
Now
cute.
let's get this shirt.
All those LOL lovers, I encourage you guys to go out and get some. They're so adorable, as you could see.
And also comment below if you had this girl.
Yes, and we're going to reveal her name in
dress
just a
on.
little. So, let's show them the outfit, then reveal who she is on the, oh yeah, here's the outfit. And on the checklist. One of the boots came flying. Cutest outfit. It's so cute.
I think the other one might be cuter.
Oh, I
'Cause these are,
totally
like,
agree.
Pants.
And that outfit right over there. Yep, you heard me. Right there. We're about to put it on and we're doing the reveal. So, and look how big of a mess it is. Don't forget to clean it up, guys. That's the cutest outfit. That's the back. Now, that's the front. Let's put it on her.
Yeah. A little, but we're not gonna reveal her yet. We're gonna reveal her in 3, 2, 1.
And there we go. It's Goody, guys. And here she is. She's so adorable. Like, she's
Love her.
amazing. So let's
Yeah.
put her on her stand and put her in the spotlight. 3, 2, 1. Here she is, guys. She's so pretty. And we're going to get a full view of her. So, so she just fell, but it's okay. So she has a cute tied up dress, cute glasses, the cutest dress, some braided hair in the back. That's pretty cool. And her big bun to top it
And
off.
she should have a twin, because I have a girl that's just like this.
And we're
And
gonna
she has brown hair.
Oh yeah.
So she's kind of different, but they
Yeah.
should be twins.
And she has orange hair, red hair, orangish reddish,
Yeah.
pinkish. It's kind of hard to explain, but she's adorable. Also,
Yeah, and 3, 2, 1, we're gonna know the real color of her hair.
Three, two, one.
Her hair is kind of like orangish, but it's like pink.
Pink,
mixed
orangish,
together.
reddish.
Yeah, I love this color. It's so pretty.
Ooh, I know a good way to explain.
Yeah.
It's a coral, but more
Coral,
orangish
yeah.
coral. And
Yeah.
it's so cute.
Yeah, we should sit her down.
She must be so tired from traveling all day. And
Yeah.
who knows how much she's been traveled. She's such a cutie. And Bella, what's the announcement?
Do a whole LOL doll collection.
That's the next video. And what's our other video?
Well, the one before that, we're going to do a video of just a LOL blog.
And what are we doing tonight? There's
are doing-
2 videos, so we're filming so many.
Yeah. One we're going to do at 3 a.m.
Oh, yeah.
And stay tuned at the end for the other 2.
One of them's Christmassy. That's all I'm going to tell you guys.
And in the morning, we will show you the elf, because tomorrow is December 1st.
And we're going to do Vlogmas.
Yes.
That's the other surprise.
Yay!
Woo!
And my elf has a girlfriend, which we'll show you.
Right now. How about that?
Actually, we should show him in the 3 a.m. video when we go downstairs.
Oh, yeah. So, yeah.
And the video. Subscribe, comment below, and smash that like button. And make sure you go check out our other videos tonight and maybe even right now.
Yeah. It'll be great, guys.
Yeah.
So, we see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Oh yeah, I almost forgot the 2 other videos. Yeah, so the other videos are gingerbread houses.
That was the surprise.
And the other video, I'm not quite sure.
That one is the surprise. We decided to reveal the Christmas one because we just revealed Vlogmas. So, the other video is a total surprise. Look forward to it.
And also on Christmas, I am going to be doing a video. And, well, Peyton might not be in it, but she might be in it at the end because on
Yes.
Christmas I'm going to be vlogging.
And she's going to have a video of her Christmas when she wakes up. And we're going to have a video of our Christmas morning. So, look forward to that, guys. Bye.
Bye!